Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you to how to connect TikTok to Facebook. To connect both of the application to each other, first of all, you need to copy your TikTok username. For that, open your TikTok application and then make sure that you have logged into your account. Once you check that, open your TikTok application and hit on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, your profile page will be opened. You will see your username. Simply hit on that to copy it. Once it is copied, go to your Facebook application and then go through your profile page. Simply hit on the menu button and click on your profile picture on the top. Once you are there, hit on the Edit Public Details option. Now scroll down, there you will see to Add Link option. Hit on that. Select the social media platform. By hitting on the platform, you will see a drop down. Select TikTok and paste that username over here and then hit on the save. So in this very easy step, you can connect TikTok to Facebook application. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.